Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to find the unknown side in a right angle triangle. Here we have the question to find the lettered sides in each of the figures. This figure 1 and figure 2, and these figures are what we call right angle triangle. Now, we have to find the unknown side. Here, to apply the Pythagoras theorem, it stated that the square of the hypotenuse, that the square of the longest side, is equals to the square sum of the two adjacent sides. That is, in figure 1 here, the longest side is the side labeled letter x, which is the hypotenuse. That is, I said how that x square equals to the square of this side, which is square root of 7 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Then now we have here that x square equals square root of 7 raised to the power of 2, that to give us 7, plus 3 square, that to give us 9, and 7 plus 9, that to give us 16. Then as well as x square equals 16. Then to get the value of x here, we take the square root of both sides of the equation, and if you do, we are going to have that x equals neither positive or negative square root of 16, and here x equals neither positive or negative 4. But since we are talking about the sides cannot be measured in negative. Then as such, we take the positive value of x, which equals 4. Therefore, x equals 4 in figure 1. Then we move down to figure 2, we still apply the same principle. The longest side here is the side labeled letter y. Then as such, we have here that y square equals square root of 14 raised to the power of 2 plus square root of 11 all raised to the power of 2. Then this equals square root of 14 raised to the power of 2 give us 14 plus square root of 11 raised to the power of 2 will give us 11. Then if we sum this up, we have that y square equals 14 plus 11, that will give us 25. Then to get the value of y, we take the square of both sides. Then we have here that y equals neither positive or negative square root of 25. And if we take the square of 25, that will give you that y equals to positive or negative 5. Since we are considering side cannot be measured in negative at the said area. Therefore, y equals 5 in this. And these are the possible solutions to this figure you have shown above. See you in the next